Dr. Homi Bhabha Bal Vaidyanik Competition Experiment number 4. In this experiment, we will study the effect of magnet and current carrying wire on the north pole of the magnetic needle. You have to complete this experiment within 6 minutes. This red end shows the north pole of the magnetic needle. Now we will observe the changes taking place at this pole. Copy the given chart in your answer sheet as shown on the screen. In this first activity, the south pole of magnet is brought near to the north pole of the needle. Observe and note down your observation in table. Now, the north pole of magnet is brought near the north pole of magnetic needle. Observe carefully and note down your observation. Now, north pole of magnet is taken closer to the north pole of magnetic needle. Observe the changes carefully and note down in table. Now let's begin with the second set of observation. Here we will observe the effect of conducting wire on magnetic needle. Firstly, copy the given chart in your answer sheet as shown on screen. Here, the battery is not connected to the circuit. Now observe the effect of magnetic needle when there is no current passing through the wire and note down your observation. In this second activity, look carefully. The current is passing through wire from point P to point Q. Note down your observation in table. Now here we have changed the terminal of the battery. So now the direction of current is from point Q to point P. Observe this change carefully and note down your observation in your table. In this fourth activity also, the current is passing from point Q to point P, but the magnetic needle is brought closer to the wire. Observe the deflection of red terminal of magnetic needle and note it down in table. Students, we have completed both the sets of observations. Now, based on all of your observations, answer the questions shown on screen. Write your answers against the correct question number on your answer sheet.